ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬರ್ಬೇಡಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಡಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಡಿ.
They have been coming here forever.
Correct, but you have to wear a mask. It's a risk for everybody. If you're treating patients, then it's a risk.
Will you listen to me?
I don't want to listen to you. It's a risk for everyone.
Please listen to me. I understand.
Then wear a mask. Then wear a mask. If you don't like it, give me one. But wear a mask. It's a risk for everybody, not only for you. For my staff, for my customers also.
I know.
Then you should be brief.
I'm not putting anybody at risk because I have already had COVID. I have recovered 1 year.
Correct.
Listen to me.
Rules.
Listen to me.
It's a rule.
Rule can be made. Foolish rules can be made.
Correct.
This lockdown is a foolish rule. Have you opposed it?
Yeah, we have opposed it.
You are here.
Correct.
No, you are not opposed it.
So you go and oppose.
You have opposed. I have spoken about it. I have written about it.
This is not the place to come and oppose. This is not a place. This is a shopping place.
This is not for opposition.
Please, you're acting really. You're acting foolish.
No, I'm not acting foolish.
You are acting foolish.
No, I'm following science. I do not want to be fooled by this foolish government. This is for your information.
This is not here to comment.
Hey, listen to me. Please listen to me.
You're bringing the next customer.
No, you are stopping, not me. You are not to be. You don't know what you